Hey guys, if you are wondering if there's the worth to actually use the Google camera, the Gcam on the Poco C85 instead of this default camera from the Xiaomi, so let me show you just one picture comparison. That was the first one was taken with the Google camera and the second was taken with default camera of the Xiaomi. So take a look. This is the photo taken with the Google camera, and that's basically how my girlfriend looks in the real life. And when we go into this one, this is not how she looks. There's like big difference in the color of her hairs, eyes, and the skin also looks different. So in my opinion, that this photo looks better and she really looks like this in the real life. So in my opinion, it's really worth to actually get this Gcam because you can basically take the better photos by installing the application from the Play Store. And if you are wondering how you can actually get this Google camera that will work properly, then I can just simply recommend you to watch my second video, how to install Gcam. And that's basically everything. Just a quick information and a short comparison of the same photo but taken with the two different cameras applications.